Yow, 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 yow.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
This should be an exciting affair, and along with Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cebulski, set to bring you all the commentary here on EA Sports. Ray, how special is it to don the colors of your country?
I got to do it 4 times, James. Some of the most proud moments of my career.
Setters glide into position for the opening draw. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. This has been one we've been waiting for a while, and it's time to finally see what the payoff is all about. Team Denmark's got the puck in their own end. Here's a short pass to Bjorkstrand, and he says no! Into the offensive zone. Here's a rip! Oh, I think he wants that one back.
Didn't miss it by much. He gets lots on it, beats the goaltender, but just wide.
Play whistle dead because of an offside. Great Britain's won the draw in the neutral zone. Takes the pass as he banks it off the wall. And it's a quick pass to Lee. Sends the pass over. Here he is on the backhand. Stopped by the goaltender.
Sometimes you're in close, there's no room to put it anywhere. The goalie smothered it all.
Great Britain's got it behind the net. Quick pass to Myers. Team Great Britain's got the puck along the wall. Hard hit on the play.
Wow, did he ever finish him hard. And when he dropped, he also dropped his stick. Now he's got to collect himself. Looks like a yard sale out there.
Moves it to Ehlers and makes the save.
Since nobody scored, each team trying to find a little bit of room on the ice. When you can collect a hit like this, everyone on your bench notices.
Myers wins the faceoff. Elects to play the puck. Gray swooping in on the attack. That's blocked. Denmark's got control of it now from their own end. Russell's going to play it against the half wall. Wristwood in front. Oh, and comes up with nothing on the play.
Most dangerous place on the ice, and he can't capitalize.
Gets the puck back onto his stick. Myers plays the puck. Shot! Makes the save. What a reaction with the blocker. Good hit. And he slides it quickly to Jensen. Team Denmark's got it in their own zone. And now he tries to get it across to Jensen. On the attack along the boards. Set it out in front and rings the iron. With the stop. Grabs the puck. Carries the puck up through center. From one point man to another. Into the corner of the attacking area. Puts it to the front of the net. Here's a shot, and that sails over the net.
He's trying to get rid of it as quickly as possible, but that's got to be on target.
Oh, he gets a piece of it with the glove. Pinned up along the boards. Denmark's got a hold of it along the wall. Slides the puck over. Here they come on the attack. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Here they are on the attack. Sends it across. A chance on goal. And that goes off a player. There's the whistle as things will slow down here for a moment.
Always a good play if you're not sure what's going on. Freeze the puck. Myers didn't take anything off this. That is a big hit.
Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. What a stop as he puts out the fire! Slides the puck across to Hall. From along the boards, he takes the feed. Sends a pass over. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Move to the middle. to the body on the play. No scores!
This is a case of one team just working harder than the other. Once the puck is turned over, they stay on it. They're on it like a pack. And eventually they get the puck to the scoring zone and they capitalize.
Team Denmark's got the opening goal in this contest.
So much time left, but it just feels better to play with the lead, and they must be pretty happy to score that quickly.
Scored by number 20.
Ehlers plays it against the boards. Moves it quickly over to Lee.
Time of the goal, 6 minutes.
Takes the
19
feed.
seconds.
Pass back to the point. Move to the middle. Turns it away.
Smothered that in close chance.
And now he angles it across to Bjorkstrand. Drills him. Oh, the glove save. Where'd that come from?
That's going to rattle your molars around there. That is an enormous hit that he took.
Still a lot of time left in the period as we approach the midway mark. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Grabs the puck here inside the offensive end. Passes right to the front, and he can't get it off. Denied by the goaltender. Denmark still got time here in this first period to increase this lead. While the setters are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Comes up with the stop. With possession along the wall. Knocked away. Quick feed to Jensen. Team Denmark's got a hold of the puck. Moves the puck along the half wall. Into the corner now. Reads it perfectly, breaking up the play.
Great Britain's done a really nice job positionally tonight. They've stolen the puck every time, it seems, when they needed to.
Denmark's capitalized on their offensive abilities here in this first period. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Along the half wall with the puck. Great Britain's looking to break out of their own end. Puts it in deep. Sends it over to Nielsen. And now he moves it quickly to Russell. Russell's got it in the defensive end. Here's a short pass to Boddicker. Right to the middle. Shot right in front. And he puts it wide.
You have to get it on net here. You've got a great chance to score, and you don't even test the goalie.
Quick pass to Nielsen. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Handles the puck. Carries it in. Takes the pass. Takes the feed. Takes the bank feed. Bodker's got it against the boards. Pass right on the doorstep. Gives it right back. Moves it around along the half wall. Centering pass. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Team Great Britain's got it in their own zone. Referee signaling delayed penalty. Looks like hooking will be the call. Snaps it on net. Official blows the whistle. Let's see what the call is. A little too much stick and body hooking up on this one, hence hooking on the call.
Yeah, I didn't think this was a difficult call for the official to make at all.
Great Britain sending their power play unit out for the first time tonight.
Well, you hope they're ready for this opportunity, James, as it shows up as they're trailing by one. Now they get a man advantage and a chance to tie this game up.
Denied by the goaltender.
11 minutes, 5 seconds.
More than half the period has expired. We've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. Christensen's won it off the faceoff. Here's a chance to get it out of their own end. Gets it out of his own end. Team Great Britain's got the puck along the boards. Carries it across the line. Takes the feed at the back end. Stones him in front.
He's not going to face many more high-danger chances than that, but he snares that attempt.
And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Dialed in on that stop. On the attack along the boards. Shot! Gets a glove on it to make the stop. Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. Moves the puck. Across the point. Centering pass! And he slides it quickly to Lee. Big time glove save! Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Snapper from the slot, stopped by the blocker. And that's broken up. Great hand-eye coordination as he gets the puck back. Both teams back to even strength. Really nice effort by the penalty-killing unit on that one.
Well, there are times you look for your power play at the very least to gain a little momentum. They needed a goal. Now they still trail by one back to even strength.
Looks to set up at the point now. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Eller's got it into offensive territory. Takes a shot. Blocker saved by the goalkeeper. Moved up ahead after a nice pass from the right wing. Lugs the puck into the corner of the offensive zone. Makes his presence known on the ice. Bjorkstrand's picking up steam. He grabs the puck here at the point. Feeds it down low. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Taken by Eller. Shoots it on the backhand, and that goes wide. In front of the net, the goaltender covers up for a whistle on the play.
Oh, that's a good look from the guys in the truck there. Look how he lines them up, times it perfectly, and throws his shoulder right through them.
Past the midway mark in this period, 1-0 the score. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. A chance from the slot. Stopped by the goaltender.
That's in a dangerous spot. He makes a good save here.
Denies him again.
Really good positioning as he makes the stop from in tight.
Late goings of this period. We got a 1-0 game to this point. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Now a quick pass to O'Brien. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Slides it back to the blue line. Lets it go from the back end. And the traffic neutralizes that threat. Nice pass. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Takes the feed at the point. And it's a quick pass to O'Brien. O'Brien's got it in the offensive zone. Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. Team Denmark's gained possession along the boards. Lets it go. Gets in front of it. From point blank. Save made by the goalie.
Stop one, stop two. The goalie makes a couple of excellent saves.
Moves it to Jensen. The lane was plugged up and that shot's blocked. Up along the wing. Back at the point, they set it up. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Jensen. Jensen's got the puck. Snaps one on net. Oh, what a stop with the stick. Takes the feed. Takes it across the blue line. Moves it quickly over to Lee. Puck grabbed by Jensen. Passes the puck over to Jensen. With possession along the wall. Keeps possession. Takes it from the other side of the blue line. The turnover. Here they come.
Team Denmark's bench is constantly saying, good sticks, good sticks. They intercept the puck, they turn it over, and they can attack. This will be a close game all the way to the end.
Just wide. Denmark's got a hold of it against the wall. Through center along the wing. Moves the puck along the half wall. Quick shot, and he misses. Is that just a confidence thing?
Confidence or trying to be too perfect. Get it on the net. That's the #1 goal.
And now it's grabbed by Jensen. Right up front. Great read by the keeper to poke it away. There's the horn concluding the first 20 minutes. See a few fans already jumping the gun there, trying to beat some of the lineups in the concessions and the washrooms. A lone goal is the difference so far through the first 20. It's a 1-0 game. And as both teams head to their respective rooms, 2 more periods still to come. We're looking forward to it here on EA Sports. And we are just moments away from the start of period number 2. Well, after an intriguing opening period, here we go. It's period number 2. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. Ray, what's your assessment of the game to this point?
Team Great Britain's made this game pretty hard on themselves. They've had the puck a lot, but they keep turning it over. Don't turn it over. They're only trailing by 1, however.
Team Denmark's got the lead here early in this second period. Their offense has been clicking on all cylinders thus far. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. And that shot goes nowhere as the lane was filled. Comes up with the stop. Over the line they come. And that's picked off in front. In front, and a stoppage on the play as the goaltender covers things up.
That's a pretty good scoring chance. That's a chance the shooter thinks might go in, but the goalie turns it aside.
Denmark's got the lead on the scoreboard. A big reason of that has been the amount of pucks that they've been putting on net. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. And that one's stopped. Team Denmark's been the more aggressive team offensively, and they continue to lead here in the second. Good read by the winger as the 2 setters tie up. Ehlers gains the zone. Here's a shot. Shuts him down. Denmark's grabbed a hold of the puck. Oh, and another big stop. Big save by the goaltender once again. Into the offensive end now. Along the half wall with the puck. Here's a pass down low. Handles the puck at the point. Takes a shot. Too much congestion in front. Big save.
Yeah, it's a sharp save, James. Right in the middle of the ice, he makes the stop and pushes it away.
Great Britain's got the puck. And look at this. It's a pair in all alone. Denies him.
No, he's going to be disappointed with that effort, James. The goalie beats him cold.
Team Denmark's got the lead here early in this second period. Their offense has been clicking on all cylinders thus far. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Takes that pass back at the point. Ahead of steam now towards the front. Denmark's looking to break out. Quick feed to Boddicker. Lets it go! And a great save! Along the wing up the neutral zone. Knocked away. From the point, they take control of it. Moves behind the net. Lets it go. Sends it off mark.
A little bit too perfect with the delivery as he shoots it wide of the goal.
Moves it around along the half wall. Grips it and rips it. Scores! That's 2 unanswered now.
They stayed right on it. Once they got that first one, they just pushed the pace of this. Now they get another. Man, he fires his slapper right by the goaltender, but he's standing in the high slot. Somebody's got to be closer to him.
Team Denmark's dominated in the shot department, and now they're starting to dominate in the goal department as well.
This is wearing a team down. You start getting lots of shots, you spend lots of time in their defensive zone. They start to defend with straight legs. You generate more shots, and eventually, there's a goal.
That goes off a twig. Picks it off. Look out.
Denmark's coaches constantly work on this in practice, and that's to be in the right position to intercept. Oh, that's going to be a penalty. They're going to have to call that.
Penalty coming up as the whistle stops the play. Hooking the call and maybe a little sell job along the way.
A little bit, but the player's got to move his feet. As soon as you stop, if it's even close, you're going to get nabbed.
Denmark's man advantage unit will take to the ice for the first time tonight.
It'll be their initial power play of the evening, James. The best power plays, they move the puck and move their feet at the same time. You'll force the penalty killers back a little more defensively than they'd like to be.
Puts them into the wall.
James, there's the difference between getting by or getting crunched. He's a half a second from a great move. Instead, he got flattened.
Team Denmark's got the puck along the wall. Russell's got it on the offensive end. Receives the pass. Takes a shot, and he rings the post. Taken along the wall by Russell. Here's a chance right in front. Here's a chance on the backhand. Makes the save.
In tight, he had to make an excellent save.
And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Handles it along the blue line.
Really solid shift here. Their puck possession game has been outstanding. Now they've got it again, and they can hold it down underneath the blue line.
And that's blocked. Oh, and a misfire as that goes right out of the zone. Offside is the call that will have a face-off just outside the offensive zone.
Well, they've been under so much pressure here in the defensive zone the last little while. They look like they're totally out of gas. This stoppage comes at the right time.
Nearing the midway mark of the period. We've got a 2-0 game here tonight. This neutral zone face-off set to go, and we are back underway. Stopped by the goaltender. Trying to clear. Got to give the penalty killers a lot of credit as the penalty expires.
Always frustrating for the power play when they go back to the bench and don't have anything to show for it.
On the attack along the boards. And he slides it quickly to Nielsen. Denies him with the save. Denmark's done a nice job of generating pucks on net, and as a result, they lead here in the second. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Here they come on the attack. And now he moves it to Richardson. Puts it up front. Referee signals penalty coming up here with a delayed call. A little ruthless aggression proves costly here, boarding the call.
Yeah, sometimes I think, James, that penalty is all about the sound it makes when you rattle the boards.
And the man advantage unit goes right back to work.
If you can find a way to get a power play goal here, you can change the momentum of this game. They haven't got one yet tonight, and you find yourself starting to press when you don't score.
And manages to clear the zone. Carries it in. Sends the pass over. Moves right to the middle. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Here's an opportunity to clear the zone. And they get it down.
Yeah, good communication. They talk to each other. They're in the right spot. They just clear it down the ice.
Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. And he's going after him here.
Just because one guy wants to fight, you don't have to. He says no way. They're going to have to look at him immediately. He's just slowly working his way to the bench, James.
Slides the puck over. Snaps it onto the net. Oh, gets a glove on it to make the stop.
Quick glove hand here. He gets the glove out to make the stop.
Team Denmark's lead here in the second period, a direct result of being the more aggressive team offensively. Nielsen's won the faceoff. Clearing attempt. And he moves the puck across the blue line out of the defensive zone. Team Great Britain's got a hold of it along the wall. And a great job by the shorthanded unit those last few moments as the penalty expires.
Too passive, not aggressive enough. The puck gets moved around the outside of the penalty killers. Really doesn't become a dangerous power play.
Strong feed from along the boards. Putting the hard hat on here. What a hit. Great Britain's got possession here in the offensive zone. And now he moves it quickly to Gray. Great positioning in the defensive end.
Maybe a case of forcing the play a little bit while they're behind. They're trying to catch up, try to make a play that's maybe not there.
Gray's taking it from his own end. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. And he blocks a shot. Great defensive play. Russell's carrying it ahead. Great poise here as he gets it back. Trapper save!
Team Denmark's been so physical in this game. They look like they're the only ones that want to play anymore. They've increased their lead, and they still stay on the body.
Denmark's message going into this one when we talked to them at the morning skate was to get a lot of pucks on net. They've done just that, and they lead as a result. And he gives it over to Hall. Hall's got it across the line. Hall's got it deep in the offensive end. Officials blowing the play dead. We've got a penalty on the way here. Ray, looks like boarding is the call here.
When I played, that was a good hit and a vicious hit.
Yeah.
But that's the new penalty that's come into the game. Excessive force means a boarding penalty.
Another chance here on the man advantage.
Sometimes you have to have the shortest of memories when you play on a specialty unit like the power play. It hasn't gone very well for them so far tonight. They have to attack this power play with a renewed vigor.
24 seconds.
Team Denmark's done a nice job of generating pucks on net, and as a result, they lead here in the second. Offense his own face-off, and he wins the draw. Denmark's got the puck along the boards. Has some nice footwork to free the puck up to his teammate. Gets it out of his own end. Team Great Britain's got control of it now from their own end. Carries it across the line. Here's a chance right in the slot. Just can't complete that pass.
No, he's got the right play in mind. He just doesn't execute the final pass.
Here's a short pass to Myers. Myers setting up against the wall. And the traffic jam in front blocks the shot. Kind of lost control for a second there, but regains possession and manages to clear the zone. Takes the feed up ahead. Sends a pass over and makes the save. Quick pass across to Lee. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Strong penalty-killing execution as both sides are now back to even strength. Nielsen's lugging the puck. Puck sent over to Jensen. Handles the puck. Bodker's got it along the boards. And that goes off course wide.
He's got to do something a little better than that. Just can't finish it from there.
Wonder if that gives him a nightmare later. And that's broken up. Team Denmark's gained possession along the boards. Quick pass to Bodker. Scores! 3 is the magic number.
And that goalie is getting just torched down there. 3 in a row here. This is a tough shot. You don't have a lot of room because the goaltender can use his whole upper body to make the save. High stick, he gets beat again. That's a nice shot.
makes his way back to center ice here for the face-off. What a performance by these guys tonight.
They've been terrific, dominated the game at both ends of the ice. The pace of the game is what they want, and they're comfortably in front.
Back to the blue line. Here's a shot. Levels them with the hit. Penalty coming up here as the play is stopped. Tripping is the call, and it's pretty cut and dry, it seems, Ray.
Well, it's like you're in position, then you're not. You reach out, you trip them up, and there's no way to get out of it now.
And they'll roll the power play unit right back out.
The power play can be so frustrating. When you get an opportunity and it doesn't go well, you start to press pretty quickly into it. Now's the time to relax, readjust, and attack again.
Here's an offensive chance. Lets it go from the slot. Blocked in traffic. Gets it out of his own end. Slides away from his crease now to play the puck. Grabs the puck and moves on out here with this man advantage. Moves it to Russell. Rocks him. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Takes a wrist shot, and the shot dies in the traffic jam. And he comes up with it. Move to the middle, and that's broken up with a stick in front. Great Britain's penalty killers get a hold of it and manages to clear the zone. Team Denmark's got a hold of it against the wall. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Moves it quickly over to Boddicker. Hammers it on net. Big save by the goaltender. Nice play shorthanded as they get control of the puck.
They don't score on the power play, but they accomplish a little bit here. They melt some time off the clock. They don't need the goal, but they don't want to make any big mistakes.
Quick feed to Jensen. And he slides it quickly to Boddicker. Now a quick pass to Boddicker. Right on the doorstep. Scores his second of the game.
Well, he's been on it tonight. Really good skating legs. He's finished off a couple of plays, too. That's a scorer's goal right there. That puck is on and off his stick in a hurry. He's so tight to the net, he has to get rid of it before the goalie can readjust.
Denmark's refused to let up that chokehold here in the late stages of this second period.
Total control of the hockey game from the beginning, and they have piled it on here in the middle frame.
Here's a short pass to Ehlers. Puck picked up by Lee. Knocked away. Takes the pass. Hall's got it along the wing. Wrists one. Gives them nothing in front. Quick pass to Ehlers. Ehlers moves it into the attacking end. Back to the point it goes. With some momentum driving towards the net. And there's the save. Scrum along the boards. Up along the wing. Takes the feed. Nearing the 40-minute mark of the game. Glove save! Quick reflexes. Team Denmark's been an impressive club to watch tonight, especially offensively, as they lead big here late in the second.
1 minute left.
While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Takes it across the blue line. Lays the body. Stopped by the goaltender.
Aggressive stop out on top of the crease to make the save on a dangerous chance.
Takes it and looks ahead. With possession along the wall. Christensen's going to play it against the half wall. Slides the puck across. Into the corner. Stopped with ease. Denmark's got to be happy with where their game is at so far tonight as they continue to lead big here late in the second. And that'll do it for period number 2. 4-0 is where we sit heading into the third period.
Are you looking for information on the stars of tomorrow today? Check out page 21 of the program or our website for profiles on farm team members on the verge of making it to the big league.
Third period just around the corner. Ray and I will be ready to bring all the action in moments. Welcome back, everyone. He's Ray, I'm James, and we are ready to kickstart this third period. 20 minutes to go here in regulation of what has been a very one-sided affair. Well, we've got 2 periods under our belts to this point so far, Ray. How do you see things?
Denmark's focus now is just lock down this game. Comfortable lead. They've been terrific through 40 minutes. Don't give it away now.
Moves it to Richardson. Moves the puck. Here's a chance! Oh, that was pure brilliance with the glove! Team Denmark's offense has been a thing to watch tonight as they lead it big time here early in the third. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Denmark's got the puck along the wall. Tries to feed it over to Bjorkstrand. He's off, and he puts it over the net.
He looks like he's trying to go right under the bar. He just elevates that a little bit too much.
So close, yet so far. Pass back to the point. Moves it quickly over to Richardson. Feeds it up ahead. Team Denmark's regained possession of the puck. Denied him on that last chance. Denmark's been a dominant force offensively. Plenty of quality scoring opportunities, and they lead it big time early in the third. Grabs the puck and looks to make something happen. Here's a shot. Not even close.
Not close to anything. The net's been the same size for 100 years.
Reads it perfectly, breaking up the play. Over the line they come. Moves the puck along the half wall. Oh, Ray, I'm sure he's going to be shaking his head over that one.
Yeah, you just don't get many of them. And when you do get a chance, you want to put it on target.
Oh, he'll feel all of that after this one. Through center along the wing. Nice pass. Quick shot, just wide. Sends it across the ice. Along the half wall with the puck. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. And he makes the save. Team Denmark's gained possession. Here they come on the attack. And that's broken up. Gets control of the puck here in his own end. Stays with it. Shot comes up with the stop. And the always popular icing call made, and you know what that means, Ray?
Now, offensive zone faceoff, man, he missed the play going down the ice. That's a gimme icing. Now they can't change. You've got tired guys on the ice. Wow, did the ice get small for him? There's nowhere to go, and he had to absorb this huge hit.
Denmark's on total cruise control early in this third period. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Takes the feed at the back end. That's a great heads-up play to break up the pass.
Team Denmark's had great stick positioning for most of the night. They don't have the puck. They get it back really quickly.
Carries it in. Into the corner of the attacking area. Oh, that's tremendous poise at the defensive end to break off the pass. Moves it around along the half wall. Centered out in front. Takes control of the puck. Takes the feed. Quick feed to Jensen. Tees it up from the blue line. Denies him on the play. Under siege and finally grabs that one and covers up for a whistle. Team Denmark's laying a pounding on the opposition tonight, generating numerous scoring chances and converting on what feels like almost all of them. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Nice defensive robbery with the stick. O'Brien's got it against the boards. Denmark's got a hold of it along the wall. Jensen's got the puck in his own zone. From the left side into the middle of the neutral zone. On the attack along the boards. That one's off the blocker.
He's sharp on that one. Nowhere to go for the puck.
From the left side, takes it at center. Looks to set up at the point now. Stopped by the goaltender. Ehlers plays it into the offensive zone. Looking to make something happen along the boards. A rocker off the blocker.
I like the goalie's positioning here. He was aggressive enough to make a save on a dangerous chance.
Team Denmark's got the puck inside the defensive zone. And it's a quick pass to Bjorkstrand. Here's a chance. Ehlers caught up with the hook, and the official saw it. Slides it back to the blue line. Denies him in front. And let's see what the definitive call is on the ice. The call is hooking on the play.
This is a penalty of bad positioning. You reach out to try and slow the guy down, you're going to get called almost every time.
Back to the face-off circle. They'll send the man advantage unit out again.
You got to have a short memory on a power play. You haven't scored yet tonight, but that can't matter on this one. Get the puck back to the point, start moving it around, and get people converging at the net.
Myers picking up steam. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. With possession along the wall. There's a shot off target. Denmark's got the puck now. Carries it across the line. And he slides it quickly to Boddicker. Gets a piece of it with the blocker. Team Great Britain's got it in their own zone. Looks to get the puck over to Gray. Moves the puck along the half wall. Receives the pass. Along the half wall with the puck. Team Denmark's looking to break out of their own end. Takes the feed at the point. Centered out in front. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Here's a short pass to Gray. And the puck escapes the zone, and they'll be forced to tag up.
It doesn't really matter that the power play didn't score. They've got such a nice lead. But I'll tell you, as a guy that made a living on the power play, I wanted to score every time I was out there.
Sends the pass over. Denmark's got the puck along the boards. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Gets the puck back onto his stick. Moved to the middle. Oh, what a missed chance that was.
Yeah, he's got to make a better play there. He's done everything right. Now you just got to get the puck on the tape.
Oh, what a stop. Team Denmark's got the puck. And now he moves it quickly to Christensen. Slides the puck over. Great chance in front. Moves it around along the half wall. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Slides the puck down low. Here's a shot. Big time stop there. Takes the feed from the left side. Quick pass to Knight. Here's a shot. Shuts him down. Picked up along the wall by Knight. Sends a pass over. Moves it to Knight. Near the point. Shot misses the net. Oh!
That's frustrating. You get yourself into position. You don't get many of these chances a game, and he doesn't get it on net.
And that's out of reach and out of the offensive zone. On the attack along the boards. Denmark's gained possession along the boards. Great Britain's got the puck in their own end. Lee's taken down to the ice. We got a penalty coming up. And let's see what the call is. Looks like tripping the call.
Sometimes they're lazy, sometimes they're just bad luck.
Another power play opportunity coming up here.
Here's another power play for them, James. Pretty interesting. When you have failure like they have on their previous power plays, it's not really a confident group that goes back out on the ice.
Team Great Britain's got a hold of it against the wall. Takes it across the blue line. And he slides it quickly to Gray. Takes a shot. Misses the net.
Not going to be happy with this. He's got the opportunity to score. Doesn't register a shot on goal.
Team Denmark's showing no signs of slowing down here in this third period up big time. Puck is dropped and play resumes. Back at the point, they set it up. Handles the puck. Lets it fly. And a great save. And the puck stopper jumps on top of it to get a stoppage in play. Denmark's offense has been the story tonight, leading big time here in this third period. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Gets it out of his own end. Great Britain's got the puck along the wall. Takes the pass. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Moves it quickly over to Jensen. And manages to clear the zone. Power play set to expire. One last chance here, Ray.
Yeah, quick entry will give them some time in the offensive zone.
Nielsen's got it to the side. Solid shorthanded performance there as both teams are now back to even strength.
I really like the way that these guys have killed penalties. They have been perfect tonight. Take a penalty, kill it off. They don't look phased at all.
Grips it and rips it, just wide of the net.
Not really close with that. He got lots on it, but nowhere near the net.
Boddicker swooping in on the attack. Quick feed to Nielsen. Glove save, and he handles it with ease.
Oh, he reads the play really well to get out and aggressive to make that save.
Team Denmark's up big time here in the late stages of this third period. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Stopped by the goaltender. Denmark's offense has not been a problem tonight. They put a lot of shots on net and lead it big time late in this third period. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up.
Jensen's eyes are looking for three. He's got two in his back pocket. Dangerous player now.
Team Denmark's put in one of their most complete efforts that we have seen in quite some time, up big time late in this third. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Oh, he stumped that one. That was a fireball. Moves close to the point. Nice poke check. Takes the feed. Hall's got it in the offensive zone. Moves the puck. Oh, what a glove save! Denmark's up big time here in the late stages of this third period. Off the draw, and he ties up his opponent. Maintains possession. Over the line they come. Here's a short pass to O'Brien. Team Denmark's got it in their own zone. With possession along the wall. Takes the shot, stones up with the blocker. And now it's over tonight. Passes on over to O'Brien. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Denmark's got control of it now from their own end. And he moves it up to Bjorkstrand. Team Denmark's ready to go on the attack.
Whoa!
Scores! What a shot!
He got himself in a good position to receive that pass, and then he one-times it past the goaltender.
lamp-lighting performance continues here with another goal in the third.
They can walk home. They have dominated this third period. They've stretched the lead out into a really comfortable margin.
And mercifully down just seconds left in this one. Penalty coming up here. A little too late, and I'm sure some people in this building would have wished the clock would have just run out. And he's off to the box for 2 for tripping.
Not much of an argument there. A stick between the player's feet.
Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Denies him on the play. Gets it out of his own end. Team Great Britain's got a hold of it along the wall. Quick pass to Gray. Gray's got the puck. Moves it to Myers. Moves the puck along the half wall. Now a quick pass to Myers. Trying to clear the puck. And that one's blocked. They'll keep it on the attack. Feeling the pressure, trying to clear. Cross the blue line, and they'll get that much-needed change, Ray.
Yeah, they've got to get guys off the ice. They look tired. Now you can get a fresh group on the ice.
Moves it quickly over to Myers. Along the half wall with the puck. And it's a quick pass to Gray. Centering pass. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. The final horn sounds, and it's time to soak it all in. From a team standpoint, the win is obviously the most important, but boy, what an impressive shutout.
So good to play when your goaltender is that confident. You know that if you give up a chance, most likely he's in the middle of it. He was terrific tonight.
In the meantime and in between time, he's Ray, I'm James. Good night.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.